presentation to share with you all, guys. So let's get physical being class 2024. So ayan, so our agenda for today. So before we start our discussion, I would like to overview all of you the class rules, no, for learn to to learn somebody and lesson proper, drilling, games, and time. So after that, I will give you some activities and discussions. Okay, so class or round rules, no, number one would be is practice and be sportsmanship and be honest all the time, and also listen to your teacher, and also wear a proper uniform when I am discussing, if you are going to enter to your classrooms, and also always be pay attention to your teacher while he discuss about the badminton, and also respect your classmate kapag sila ay nagre-recite. Okay, so our lesson for today is all about the equipment of the badminton. Alright, so when we say the equipment of the badminton, it should be the different versions of badminton have been played for the century. But was a game of Pune in India that was the basis of the game of the badminton was played today in 1860s, no? So group of station British of the game grew its popularity until 1895 when the badminton is associated in England, and also we form along the rule of a gameplay that are reused around the world even today. And also in order to play this form of badminton, certain equipment and facilities are needed. So ayan, that is the definition about the equipment of the badminton. Diba? Alam naman natin ano mga equipment na siguro ng mga badminton, kasi alam ko naman sa inyo, some of you are doing this kind of sports and playing this kind of sport, no? Yung badminton during your elementary times, during your if you have time doing a recreational activity, or if you join the competition, the professional league, something like that. And also ayun, if you be physically fit, no, nag-attend ka ng mga tong particularly yung badminton na to, nag-attend ka ng seminar or workshop, I hope na marami ka natutunan, no? And also yan, and next, so badminton drilling tayo, no? We have the three discussions, no? Number one, the rackets and the shuttlecock, no? And also court, no? Court net. Yung mga tatlong bagay na pag-uusapan natin ngayong araw na to. Okay? So, badminton drills, no? Badminton drills natin, no? Pag sinabing racket, no? Racket, it is the badminton racket, one of the most important tools the player has in the game, no? Mahalaga ito sa mga naglalaro tulad ng mga ako, di ba? I'm playing badminton. Napaka-importante ang racket. Kapag without racket, hindi ito matawag na badminton, okay? Any equipment in the badminton is really important, okay? So, badminton racket are such much lighter than most of the sports racket because they are made from materials such as carbon fiber. Ito ay galing sa carbon fiber, okay? Ulitin ko, ang racket ay belong sa isa siyang a carbon fiber or lighter metals, no, such as an aluminum, okay? Compound is aluminum. Parts of the racket include the head, throat. May limang klase yan, no? Limang parts ng ating racket, no? Yung tinatawag nilang yung head, yung throat, yung shaft, yung handle, no? And also yung string, no? Kasali yan, no? Handle with the maximum length of 27.77. Okay, ulitin ko, we have 5 parts or 5. If you're going to identify the parts of the rackets, we have the string, throat, shaft, handle, and throat. Okay, yung inches naman niya is 27 by 77 inches. And within of the 9 inches, strings that are stretched across the opening of the racket, no? So ibig sabihin checkerboard siya pattern, hindi siya diamond, no? Hindi siya diamond, kundi should be a checkered pattern, no? Horizontal line and also the vertical line. And also which has hard hitting surface of the badminton rackets, no? Rackets can vary widely cost depending on whether they are purchased as a part of the backyard and more expensive professional models. Okay, next we have a shuttlecock. Ang shuttlecock naman natin ay, it is the badminton shuttlecock, also preferred to as a shuttle or bird high or birdie, no? Ito sa birdie no word, no? Similarly, the ball of the other racket sports, no? However, the design of the birdie creates more drag as it's propelled through air due to its feather. Okay, ito ay galing, no? Gawa sa feather, no? Tapos yung rubber ng shuttlecock ay gawa din sa goat, no? Yung sa balat ng goat. No, narap ito, no? A shuttlecock can be made from variety of materials, no? More expensive models ito, no? It can be from variety of any models, but use plastic feathers. It can be used, no? Kapag ito naman hindi pa siya pang competition, you will use yung plastic naman na siya na shuttlecock, no? Pang practice lang natin siya. And also we have 16 feathers, no? The length of the feathers range of 2.44 and 2.75 inches. Next, we have the net, no? Yung net ay include ito sa court natin, no? Yung net naman, it is a mesh of net divides badminton court into divides a badminton. Net is a place lower than available net. Okay. Ibig sabihin, 17 feet and doubles reaching to 22 feet and 30 inches naman or 3-inch wide tape double over the top. Meaning, ang isang kapag yung volleyball net ng yung standard is mataas, di ba? Sa badminton naman is medyo mababa siya hanggang sa tenga ko lang, kumbaga hanggang tenga ka 5 feet, no? 5 meters lang siya. Next, yung facilities naman natin, at what we call ito na yung badminton court, no, natin, no, tinatawag nila, no. The badminton court should be 44 feet and by 22 feet wide of playing doubles, no. 44 feet and also 17 feet wide for single. So magkaiba tayo, okay? So 22 by 44 naman pag doubles. Kapag singles naman tayo ay 17 by 44. In the facilities in indoor, there needs to be enough height for the shuttle to be able to float across the net within the heating of the ceiling and height and while very depending the strength of the player. Alright. So, sa badminton, shuttle court surface, so alam naman natin yan, shuttle court layer. Yung service area naman natin should be is a 15 feet and 16 inches length beginning in the single service line and extending forward and another 6 feet and 6 inches from the net. Yung service area, may hati po yan na dalawa, right and left, from the baseline to the center line of the service line. Okay. Yung court dimension naman natin is 14 by 44, no? 6 point wide yung width. Yung width niya is will be 6.1, yung length niya is 13.4 meters. Alright, then yung mark niya naman niya ay 5.18 meter wide. Yung post naman niya, yung post ay 1.5 height, surface of the court, okay, 1.5 height, okay, isang sukat ng isang racket, okay, isang sukat ng isang racket to the net, okay. When there is a practical have post aside from method can be used, indicate the position inside line, and also where they pass, or it can be fixed, no, fixed with line, raising vertical, and also net. May mga kapitbahay natin, no, tumataw limang aso. Pasensya na kasi may mga aso, no. I hope na hindi ito nakaka-distract sa atin, and I hope you listen carefully, no. I hope you watch it, okay. So here is the court of the sample court or size ng ating badminton, no? If you see ayan, nakita niyo po yung badminton natin, yung size na nan. Ay, yung pinakagilid dito sa left side natin, yung 40 meter. Ayan, ito yung kanyang sukat doon sa yung guhit mismo, no? Yung guhit. Then, yung layo niya by into the single line, no, 420 millimeter yung kanyang distance, no. Okay, so bawat hati, ito yung court na nakikita nyo yung kalahati niya, yung left service court natin, ang sukat niya ay 2.53 meter. Okay? 2.53 meter. And also same with the right service court. Same din naman tayo doon sa pinaka single and double line. Yung length niya, same naman ay 40 by millimeter. And also that it should be a 420 millimeter. And also from the net, yung net natin side from the post is 1.98 and 1.98 meter. Okay, or it should be sideline for single or double line. It's the same for 40 millimeter and 40 millimeter. But the distance of the two of each, it should be a 420 millimeter. Okay? Tapos, this is may gitna naman to 40 millimeter naman tayo sa may short service line and true to the net. Okay? 40 millimeter. Okay? So, yung pinaka yung hati from the end line of the service line, yung short line niya, it should be a 720 millimeter. Okay, from the short lines, from the long service line and to the short line ng ating badminton, ng ating single, should be 3.88 meter. Okay, 3.88 meter. Kapag binuo naman natin yan from the short service to long service for double, magiging 720 millimeter. Okay, did you understand the difference of it? Okay, so from the width of the single ay 5.18 meter by single court. Kapag tinawag po natin pag double, it should be 6 meter of the double court. Alright? So, and ayan. So, ayan. Next, ayan, yung game, we have gameplay we have an activity today. So, ayan, I will post this to you. I will send you the link, no, yung ating activity for today's video. So, ayan, I hope we have recap. I hope we ensure that you understand the lesson, and also I hope that you ensure that you can share to your classmate, and I hope that I ensure na kayo naman ay nakinig during our discussion for today, no, today's Sunday, no. And thank you, and please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel. I am Judel Tabason. I'm your teacher in PE, in PE 13. Alright, goodbye and God bless and happy Sunday and blessed Sunday to all of you.